Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, number 186 for Monday, 9th of June, 2025. As always, you're very welcome here, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. And then we've got here Oracle, okay, Oracle, because Oracle, they've got earnings on, I think it's Wednesday after close, okay. I'm kind of curious, interested in this. Mainly because I know lots of people who used to work for Oracle, okay, who basically went into the jobs there and all did very, very well for themselves. And then was it about 2007? I returned to Bosnia and Croatia. I haven't been there in '92. Returned back in the stayed just outside my village, just along from Dubrovnik. And Larry Ellison and his boat was there, and it pretty much took up the entire harbour. It was absolutely huge, and I saw the fella knocking about and stuff and what have you. Fair play to him and stuff. His boat was like a bloody aircraft carrier. But anyway, when you're a multi billionaire, that's what you can do. You can get yourself a big boat and mince around the Adriatic. But anyway, part of our share price and stuff, and so what we saw was we kind of flipped around $100 here, okay, sort of about 18 months, years ago, okay. We came into base and then we ran away. And remember what I said, don't fight good trends. And this trend was ended with basically a big bearish engulfing, bearish key reversal. It came back in to test it. It basically couldn't make, it was basically a lower high with another bearish engulfing key reversal. And then we rallied away, fell away there. Okay, fell away pretty strongly to 120 into the kind of the tariff tirade, which was basically ended with a kind of, once again, bit of a double bottom. I have a double bottom with a second leg as the bullish engulfing key reversal and push. We're back up above the 20, above the 50. And now we're looking at about 170. That's been quite some recovery. Maybe not as strong as Microsoft and others, but I'll be intrigued to see, do those numbers on Wednesday after the close, does that actually drive it higher, or does it take the wind out of the sails? Okay, so realistically, if it's going to push it higher, I'll be looking for it to get above 180. If it takes the wind out of sails, then I think it falls back to the 50 at around about $160. So you might want to watch and see how that plays out over the rest of the week.